Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be sharing you some of the useful and important tricks and tips in Zerodha Kite. For example, like how to set the price alert and how to know the technical analysis of the stock what you have selected and how to know the stock history and how the stock is performing. All these things you can get to know in just few clicks. Okay, so I'll be sharing you this tricks and tips in this video, so make sure you watch this video till the end to get all the information regarding this, and this tricks and tips what I share will be useful for your intraday trading. Okay, so before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSC and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. Okay, you can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. If you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making constant profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about the tricks and tips which are useful in Zerodha Kite. Okay, so guys, firstly what you have to do is you have to click on this three dots button. So whatever stock you had to your watch list, just click on this three dot button. So I'll be telling you about all these functions. Okay, so first thing is spin. So if you have observed here, you can see something called a spin and 1 2. So what is this? So now if you click on this one, this will change here. So as you can see, before I had added a Nifty here, so instead of Nifty you can pin any of the stock to your list here. Okay, so the upper side what you can see. Okay, so on the right side I have Sensex, on the left side I had a Nifty. Now I changed it to the Indus India Bank stock. Okay, so if I want to change it to HDFC Bank, yes, I can do that. So this will be helpful if you're monitoring any stocks and want to check that stock price instantly, so it will be always there in the top of it. So this is one and this is two. So if you select for the two, it will come and change here. Okay, if you select for the one, so it will come and pin here. So if I want to add Nifty again, so I'll go to Nifty again. I click on the three button which says more and click on one. So again it has changed to Nifty here. Okay, so that's the pin function. Okay, so this is a trick number one. And now create GTT/GTC. So this is an order called as good till trigger. So this is for people who are trading for the positional or holdings. Okay, so pop out chart. So if you click pop out chart, so whatever stock you have selected for the pop out chart, the chart will pop open. Okay, so normally when you click on the chart, so it will open like this, like in the same window. For example, I am opening Indus India Bank stock now. So if I click on chart, the SBIN chart will open like this. But if I click on pop out chart, the full screen chart will appear like this. Okay, so this is the pop out chart. And now coming to the next option, fundamentals. So fundamentals is only available for the stocks. Okay, so if you go to futures, the fundamentals will not be available. So let me go to the fundamentals of SDFC Bank. So guys, if you want to check any of the fundamentals, any of the brief history about the stock, you can go to the fundamentals. So here you can see all these things like stock beta and PE ratio, and what was 52-week high and what was 52-week low. Everything can be seen in this fundamental, and this is very useful. And also you can see if there is any events in the stock and news in the stock. All these things can be seen by using this fundamentals. Okay, so this is very useful things which I found in Zerodha. And now let's come to technicals. So if you click on technicals, you can see a lot of things. So it will tell you the summary of the stock, whether it's a neutral, bearish or bullish. Okay, and also you can see that in different ways. For example, it in EMA, SMA, awesome oscillator, RSI, MACD and CCI by technical analysis. Okay, and also you can change it from which time frame you want to see the technicals, either in a 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15, 30, hourly or a day. So you can see all these things. Okay, and once if you go to technicals, there you can see a lot of things. For example, what indicator is pointing a buy or sell. For example, momentum is pointing B, that is buy. N means neutral, S means sell, B means buy. So you can check out all these things, like you can see what are the indicators indicating what sign. Okay, and also you can see it in a different time frames. Also you can see oscillators and moving average. So this is to check out the briefly about the stock, how it is performing in technical way, whether it is a bullish or a bearish. Okay, and now coming to the next point, set alert. Okay, so we'll talk about set alert. So set alert is used to place the price alert. Okay, for example, now the SDFC Bank is trading at 910.30. So if you want to buy it at 915 and if you want to set the alert, so you can do that. You can go to set alert. Okay, click here more and set alert. So once you click on set alert, the new window will open. So here you can select alert me when. Okay, so you can check all of these things here. Okay, and the stock you can select, and is equal to, you can use lot of options here like greater than, equal to, less than or equal to. So now let's say I'll go to equal to. Okay, and I want a price 915 to alert. So when the stock reaches 915, I want it to alert. So HDFC buy I'll put, and if I click on create, it will get create here. Okay, so it will get create, and now what happens is once the stock reaches 915, you will get a notification. Okay, so all these things, the tricks and tips what I showed you, you can use it in your phone app also, that is in Zerodha Kite app. Okay, you can use the same in your phone. So now when the stock reaches 915, you will get an alert in your phone. You'll get it in a notification, and in Zerodha you'll get a pop out here. Okay, so this is how you can use the set alert option. Okay, so guys, these are the little tricks and tips what I wanted to share in this video. So these are the features which I like about Zerodha Kite actually, and which are useful also. Okay, so if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video. Okay, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscribed. And also every day I'll be uploading with how much profit we made and on what stock we traded, with the profit proof every single day. Okay, so if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.